learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
走马哥呀！
让我们加入客家风情，学习实用客语。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係美甲。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。这个24个节气啊，是我们这个月一直在聊的东西哦。那我觉得今天要聊的这个是好像大家都比较知道的一个了哦。
大家喜欢
的一个。Out of the 24 solar terms, I think people talk about this one a lot. It's summer solstice， 就是夏至。
夏天要来了。
对，怎么说呢？
哈兹
，again, that's summer solstice. 那夏至啊，其实就是一年当中白天最长的一天哦。It's the longest day during summer solstice.
哈兹黑一年度，
日
是條青蟲嘅一年，
日是條青蟲嘅一年。就是最长的一天，
对，白天最长
了，对，没错，所以大家可以好好的享受阳光啊，
晒太阳啊，去海边啊。
那夏至是什么时候呢？就是一过完端午，夏至就马上到了哦。Let's teach you how to say that. Once you pass Dragon Boat's festival, summer solstice is around the corner.
月節過一貼，哈茲甜點秋來耶，
就是快要到了，
对，夏天就要来了，
没错。So again, breaking it down, it means summer solstice happening right after Dragon Boat Festival. All right, let's review some of the phrases, including the Dragon Boat Fest, 端午，
月節
，and then the longest day, 最長的一天，
青蟲嘅一年，
Okay, that means the longest day, and it's all happening on summer solstice, 夏至，
哈茲。
And there you have it, learning about the weather with Daily Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
漢字 say
張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.